The Friedenskirche, Church of Peace, is a Protestant church in the Heidelberg district of Handschuhsheim. It was built between 1908 and 1910 according to plans by Hermann Behaghel, and is considered one of the highlights of his work. The old village church of Handschuhsheim is St. Vitus Church, dating back to the 8th century. With the Bergstrasse recess in 1650, Handschuhsheim passed from the Catholic electorate of Mainz to the Protestant electorate of the Palatine, and St. Vitus was henceforth used as a shared church by both denominations. In 1905, St. Vitus was given to the Catholics for exclusive use, and construction of a new, larger Protestant church began shortly thereafter. The plans for the building came from the Grand Ducal chief architect Hermann Behaghel, who had previously designed the St. John's Church in Neuenheim, the Christ Church in the Weststadt district, and the Church of the Cross in Wiblingen in Heidelberg. The Peace Church is arguably the most elaborate and modern building in Behaghel. The foundation stone was laid on June 14, 1908, and the church and the adjoining rectory were consecrated on June 29, 1910. The original bells had to be handed over for military purposes in 1917. New cast steel bells were installed as replacements in 1920. Between 1959 and 1961, the church was renovated and received new bells designed by Edzard Hobbing, as well as a new Walker organ.